Just 1 hour I'm going to be in Sandakphu.
But who guide you?
In this video, you will watch
Name of the jungle is Garibas Jungle.
Please do not forget to give a like.
আকাশে আমার মুক্তি ঠান্ডা বাইরে
November is the best month which is Sonakpur. तो आपको यहाँ से मिल जाएगा माउंटेन्स वगैरह जो एवरेस्ट से लेकर आपको कंचनजंगा सब मिल जाएगा यहाँ से।
Do watch my previous vlog. Link will be provided in the description box.
রাস্তার এত ফুল ফুটেছে আই এম সো হ্যাপি দ্যাট আই কেম পার্টিকুলারলি দিস টাইম গুড মর্নিং ফ্রম দ্য প্রিস্টিন ভ্যালি অফ Tumling. Today we are going to Sandakphu.
On the way to Sandakphu, day 2.
Aditi.
Good morning, everybody. We are enjoying the scenic beauty here.
Our adventure began in the quaint hillside town of Manebhanjan, the gateway to Singalila National Park. Within 1.5 hours, we reached Tumling, a serene hamlet nestled amidst rolling hills and misty landscape. The crisp mountain air and the panoramic views set the tone for the journey ahead. Pemba, our guide and driver, was waiting for us. We had a quick breakfast and started our journey. We drove through the enchanting Garibas forest, a section renowned for its rich biodiversity. Through the forest was like stepping into a dream. The path was adorned with moss-covered trees, and the air was filled with sweet scent of blooming rhododendrons in the hues of red, pink, and white. These vibrant flowers, native to the region, painted the landscape with their brilliant colors, creating a mesmerizing tapestry that captivated our senses. Garibas is located within the Singalila National Park, which straddles the border between India and Nepal. The bumpy roads were quite challenging for us. Some of my videos are very unstable due to this reason. Garibas is a common night halt or refreshment stop for trekkers on the way to Sandakphu. It typically comes after Tumling and Meghma and before Kalipokri. Altitude of approximately 2621 meters, that is 8599 feet. This is a crucial elevation as it provides an opportunity for acclimatization before the steeper ascent to Sandakphu. The Sashastra Seema Bal, that is SSB, is a central armed police force in India under the Ministry of Home Affairs. It is primarily responsible for guarding the India's border with Nepal and Bhutan. On the way to Sandakphu, we will come across various checkpoints, and for Indian citizens, any valid identification certificate and a passport size photo is essential.
Very breezy here. I'm going on chewing orbit to get my energy up.
The peak blooming season for rhododendrons in the Himalayas, including the Sandakphu region, generally spans from late February to mid-April, with some species continuing to flower in May and June. During this time, the trails and the hillsides become a veritable floral wonderland, making it an ideal period for the visitors and the nature enthusiasts to experience this breathtaking natural phenomenon. In the essence, the colorful rhododendrons on the way to Sandakphu are more than just flowers. They are a living, breathing expression of Himalayas, raw beauty, captivating all who are fortunate enough to witness their spectacular display.
Hi, on the way to Sandakphu, this is Nepal pillar. So the other side of this pillar is Nepal, and this side, the west side you people are in the camera, is India. Scenic beauty, you will die for it. You will die. Nature lovers, you have to come here. Those who did not reach yet, just contact Pemba. Pemba is my guide and driver. He is a very good person. He has done everything. Last 5 years I am trying. My health didn't permit. Didn't matter. I brought oxygen cylinder. I brought that camphor, chewing gum and everything and ready for the trip. And finally I reached here. After just 1 hour I'm going to be in Sandakphu. And this is Pemba. Very cute little guy. And he guides you and very honest.
आप लोग जो भी आना है इससे कांटेक्ट कर सकता है। ये आप लोग का टूर भी हो और ड्राइवर हो, गाइड भी हो तो आप लोग का दोस्त भी हो।
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. He will take.
In Nepali words, Kala means dark and Pokhri means lake. The village is named after the local lake. Kala Pokhri holds extreme religious importance for the local Hindu and Buddhist communities. It's considered sacred. The lake is often surrounded by Buddhist prayer flags, adding to its spiritual ambience. A Nepal Army border checkpost
Pokhri
is
সামনে
even
দাঁড়িয়ে আছে।
situated opposite
It's a
the
very
lake.
holy place. We can pray here and make our wishes. Locals say that it comes true. To Sandakpur Rural Municipality.
Please do not throw any waste products in this holy place. Every mountain top is within reach if you just keep climbing.
রাস্তায় মাঝে মাঝে হোম স্টেজ আছে, তো we stopped here for our basic needs. Not at all a concrete one. We are just singing songs, clapping our hands and enjoying. Be cautious, life is precious. Sherpa Chalet Lodge. But we are at Sunrise Hotel. We are staying here.
Booking was done in advance and there was a very quick check-in process. We freshened ourselves, grabbed our plates and started having the hot, steaming buffet lunch.
Is ready with her plates and bowl. Had a good sumptuous lunch and now we are trekking. See my pretty friend, okay? My darling pretty friend.
Oh my god.
আমার মুক্তি আলোয় আলোয় এই আকাশে আমার মুক্তি আলোয় আলোয় আমার মুক্তি ধুলায় ধুলায়
ঘাসে ঘাসে এই আকাশে আমার মুক্তি আলোয় আলোয়. I was a bit tired and went off to take a short nap. Aditi suddenly woke me up, and to my surprise, I saw the mesmerizing beauty. Ran up to the terrace, catching a glimpse of sleeping Buddha. Was like a divine revelation, just for a fleeting moment, as if after endless meditation, God finally appears only to vanish again. That brief sight, veiled by the western disturbance, felt sacred.
ঠান্ডায় পুরো জুবু থুবু, একেবারে চেনাই যাচ্ছে না নিজেকে। উফ কি ঠান্ডা বাইরে। Dining and reception put together. So I'll show you. There are lots of people are here. This is the reception. Very difficult to get the network. Wi-Fi is not working. Airtel, yes, it's working. See, this dog is here. Loud music is going on, and we are now waiting for our dinner. आपको पता होना चाहिए था। डिनर आप कल सुबह सर्व करेंगे बोल रहे हैं। नाइस मैन, वेरी जोवियल, थैंक यू। फ्राइड राइस,
वाइन ट्राई कर सकते हैं। हमारा जो मम्मी ने बनाया है राइस फ्राई।
we have Vikram Chetri here. Like, which month is the best?
November means November and December. Perfect month.
Perfect. Like, nothing. Fog will be there in the morning part. Yes, but cloudy no. Clear sky.
सुबह से लेकर शाम तक मिलेगा सबको।
सब अच्छा, जो यहाँ है बुक पर सब मिलेगा। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
In my next vlog, you will watch Getting Lost in the Forest, the beautiful hotel that I had booked in Darjeeling next to the viewpoint, the crowded mall, and our always favorite
French fries,
Kevintas.
our coffee.